Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClellan, and today I will be talking about STX, the cryptocurrency. Let's dive right into it, guys. So this is an updated video. I talked about this last month ago, and so far, guys, the price has bounced up a little bit. It bounced up about 3 cents, and now it's doing a little bit of a pullback. So I think the overall direction, guys, is to get more into details that since it bounced off this zone right here, the support zone here. Since it bounced in the zone right here, you got this little pullback that's happening right here, and I'm on the daily, guys, to give you guys some reference on time. This made a little double top up here, so we have a double top, and since then it went from about 33 cents down to now 30 cents. What possibly can happen is that that STX might hit right here. This is the bottom of the support zone, bounce up again, and possibly head a little bit lower. Now, the reason why I think this is because this little bounce right here is just like a temporary move. I think if there's more, like if it was more aggressive or had more, momentum, it would have broke through this top right here and built up some support and head up higher. I see that it basically was more of like a way of people who had a big bag of money did multiple entries, and from there they took their exit. They entered around. You can tell they got a couple hammers right here. So they entered about 30 cents, probably like an average price of about 30 cents, and exited at 33 in the top right here. So a 10% return on their end, and dumped it. And then a lot of people thought it was going to break, so they either bought into it and then it broke down, and then it possibly going to land down to the 30 cents, 29 cents level, and then bounce down lower. Now, STX might be down for the couple of days to weeks. Now, I will make an updated video to see more about it, but it looks like on my last video, guys. So that's what I thought was going to happen with this cryptocurrency here. It might bounce up, but then ultimately head down lower. So I think the overall direction is lower until there's more evidence showing it that's going to go back up higher. Now let's look at the weekly. Now I'm looking at the Coinbase version. There's other ones that has more historical data. Now if you guys want to check that out, please do. But on here, you can tell that it went from about 250-ish, and then it's been a downtrend. There is more data already. I just chose to use this chart here, just letting you guys know. But we get some other details about STX. Now it is ranked number 9 in the list, 31 cents currently, with a $417 million market cap. Now, if you guys want to find out what more it is, STX is a layer 1 blockchain solution that is designed to bring smart contracts and centralized applications to the Bitcoin. These smart contracts are brought to Bitcoin without changing any of the features that make it more powerful, including security and stability. So it's very interesting. I wonder how many people actually use STX and use this part of it, smart contracts and also dApps. So just decentralized applications. I wonder how many people actually use that. Maybe most people are just buying it and holding it for capital gain, or just dollar cost averaging to see if it might go higher. It's a possibility. I don't. Tell me in the description. I'm sorry, in the comment section why you guys are using STX and how you're using it. Let's see if there's any what else, other details about it. I mean, there's multiple platforms you guys can buy this on. So if you guys are looking about buying this, guys, I'll show you the different markets you guys can buy it on. It's on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Charge Kraken, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, Crypto.com Exchange. Pretty much the big ones. But if you want more information, just stacks.co. Unleash Bitcoin's full potential. So you guys want to do one more about proof of transfer, Bitcoin NFTs. This is market. Also, for me, guys, I always tell people check out their Twitter page. It's always helpful. Twitter gives you a lot of the news about cryptocurrencies, updates, stuff like that. And besides that, guys, check out my website, AndreMcClellan.com. I did a lot of updates in the MQL 4 and 5. Also, some stuff on the economy updated. Please check it out, guys. But that's the video. Hope you guys liked it. I do see STX going lower. I think a good price point will be Let's see if we can break it down on a different chart. I think it's gonna have to hit that bottom of this candle. So we're talking about 27 cents. So about 3 to 4 cents lower, guys. Well, besides that, guys, check out my website, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.